Friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative, creative, popular, unique videos on VGGFace2 model. Up till now, we have seen plenty of videos on VGGFace2 model. I have been struggling lot for VGGFace2 model. We have seen videos such as face recognition using VGGFace2 model and MTCNN, then face match using VGGFace2 model, then face verification, then face identification and matching, and many more. Long back ago I had done some videos on VGGFace2 model. Afterwards, after some long interval, I have also done some videos on VGGFace2 model. I have been struggling a lot for this model. I have done a lot of videos on celebrity, for which VGGFace2 model is very popular. Today's video we are going to see face recognition of celebrity in really different style. So please watch the video till the end. I will be using VGGFace2 model and MTCNN for face recognition of celebrity. Now I will show you the image of celebrity which I am going to recognize. Here I have not written the full name of the person. It is only written Anil. It is not written Anil Kapoor. It is only written Anil. Okay. Now we will go through the main program. Here the image is Anil 1. That's what I have written. Now I use MTCNN VGGFace2 model. Now I will execute the program. See what happens. The celebrity will be recognized as soon as I execute the program. Yes. Yes. We can see here Anil Kapoor, the name has come, and so the celebrity has been recognized. So I successfully done with face recognition of celebrity using VGGFace2 model in really creative style and different style, really simple style. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on VGGFace2 model, then FaceNet if possible, FaceNet if possible, DLIB, then Keras, Tensorflow, and OpenCV and Streamlit, and many more. For latest update about machine learning, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.